Dude, I'm like the Flash. I just press W. I'm just in this whole different universe.
Just hopping dimensions. Dude, I'm at 5 FPS.
This is truly how we break the game.
Yep. Weakest railgunner in False Sunrun.
Weakest run ever.
It's just not possible to have frames.
Go pick up
Something
the
ran
items if
into
you
me and
want.
blew up.
Just pick up the items. You can choose any items you want.
Oh, thank you.
Dude, Jesus, look at my stats.
This server is not liking this. You have 3,000 items.
I can't.
I actually can't.
You can't do anything.
You gotta collect the items to get the frames back. Dude,
What's
it's
also
so
worst?
bad. Why are there
You know, what's the
explosions?
you know what's the worst part is that I'm fighting the drones more than I am fighting the enemies.
I'm fighting the frame rate more than enemies. Oh my gosh.
Okay, hello frame rate.
Hello, frame rate. It's back. But not for long.
Another early night fight.
Sure.
I don't know what can we do at this point.
Yeah. I guess it's kind of just a waste of time, I guess. We can just go to the next stage.
Alright. Do you think we can fight the voidling?
Maybe. If we're lucky. You ready to get out?
Yeah, I'm out.
I
Oh
can't
wait, no,
see the interacting.
wait,
Okay.
wait, did we break the game?
This is
Okay, there we
crazy.
go.
Oh my god. Oh, 60 FPS for the first time.
Frame rate's back.
Need to find an equipment barrel to spend my my sail star on.
Yeah, good luck.
Here's one. How much does that cost? Oh. Damn, no DML. Is it forgive me, please?
I'll take the forgive me.
Don't forgive him.
Here's a telly.
I guess I'm ready. We don't really need to loot, do we?
I don't think so. Yeah, you already got the loot covered.
Yep. Yeah, I'm ready then. We'll never
There's
know
this
what it
gold
was.
boss.
Oh, polyloots.
Oh, probably loot. That's cool.
Yeah, not like, I mean, I don't think it matters.
Oh, here it comes.
Here what comes.
The
Oh, you're
items.
twisted? Oh god.
Yeah, it's here now.
Oh no. It's raining.
This is what Drifter Dreams want to be.
Yeah.
I'm 65 Sharky. Hey, yeah, I have 65 Sharky. You wanna see how fast I go through them?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh, what is that behemoth size?
Oh my gosh.
Bro.
Yo, I think I've reverted my bend code to be back to the frame state. I have
Oh
100.
wow.
How many best? I have 171 bend code.
Ooh, that's a lot of coats, man. I don't think you need that many.
Just to make sure I'm play safe on the Malachites.
Yeah. It's wow, it's like if you get 200 Ben's code, it's like pre-patch Ben's code.
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna beat him.
Yeah. Did I just see 12 million damage? Like literally what is happening? There's just explosions happening everywhere.
Do enemies exist?
I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm scared of mythics now.
Oh no! What have you done? It's gonna take. I have like four.
It's gonna take like a minute for it to steal all my items.
Yeah, we're gonna be there for like an actual like 5 minutes. Can we loop until we get to the exchange? Huh?
What happened?
Can we loop until we go to the exchange?
Exchange?
Yeah.
Sure, do it. You want to make your meal worms?
Yeah, well, yeah. That and I guess that and also DML. I want
We'll
to
see
AFK.
how far we can go before the game crash.
Yeah.
I'm at 4,000 items.
There might be 4,000 sitting on the ground right now.
There might be more.
Junk Drone was such a cool addition to the game.
Oh, keep in mind, remember, Willie put that stuff that duplicate at C tier.
Yeah, it's C tier.
It's C tier item.
Yeah. Okay. 7 FPS. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, let's get out of here before
Oh my
things
god,
get worse.
please. Give me up.
Frame rate. Feels so good to be back.
Yep. Thank god there's no drones. Well,
Feels so different having nothing in left.
feels a little empty. Oh my god, look at the fireworks, man. Why is it so bright? Like, actually, flashbang IRL.
What is this hell zone? This is like the most broken state of the game I've ever seen.
Yeah.
This is like finding Isaac tier.
Yeah. Uh, Weakest rock bottom run. Wow, I got all gestures.
Yeah, all gesture.
Yep, sold out.
Oh,
Ready?
look, the rarest.
The new ghost.
Oh, actually, he's in
Beautiful.
more because he's healing for 1 million.
Yeah. He's here in spirit forever. Alright, I guess we're out of here.
Yeah, let's get out of here before we make things worse.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I have so much shuriken. I can't even burn through my whole shurikens.
Jeez.
I can't burn through my shuriken. There's just too much
You have
shurikens to
unlimited
beat them
shuriken.
again.
I have never seen this
Wait,
stage before,
wait, this game has a nighttime stage?
apparently. Oh, I think the operator reveal trailer was on this stage.
Oh no, Grand Panic.
Oh no.
5 Grand Panic. Oh, oh no. I
Oh,
just
this has
realized
what happened?
I have 138 badly.
Yeah,
I have.
it's concerning.
Oh, I got 178 landmines.
We need to find the we need to look for the button. We just look for the button and then start to tell immediately.
Yeah, we just need to get out of here.
Oh, yeah. Before it happens.
I'm trying to run away from my enemy. I'm trying to run away from my thing.
There's a scrapper. I just got my spur. I had two of them apparently.
Yes, Tally. Look for the button, Tally.
Yeah. No, I can hear
The PTSD.
it. Never gonna see jump drums the same. Squid turrets actually live.
How many Solomon's Whisper I got? 128 Solomon's Whisper.
Ah, yes.
Which I think that's just guaranteed items now.
Yeah, it's like pre-patch sonars.
Alright, we need to get out of here ASAP.
Yeah, I couldn't find the button. I don't know if it can
Yeah,
even spawn on this
I'm
stage.
not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like after we pressed it once.
I don't see why it shouldn't. Okay.
Oh my gosh, for once I saw the boss health. For once,
Yay.
I saw the boss health.
Like literally, what is happening? My senior twisted again.
Oh, here they come,
Oh
showering
no.
you with
The
items.
reckoning. We're suffering from success.
Yes.
Why?
I love greed.
Oh, great. This is terrible. This is our best worst run.
Is Mythic's gonna come in with his fairy beats again?
Beads. Yeah, he's clutching onto the beads again.
Yeah, he's like out there somewhere out there. He's looking out the telescope and you see little items everywhere
Yeah,
on the planet.
every area on every planet has infinite items. Oh my god. I missed the beginning of the run. We're like, ah, yes. Just a
I,
little casual gameplay.
we just having a little fun, and then and I got a little too much fun, and then I just broke the game.
One Benthic Bloom and one Junk Gem was all it took.
You know, the
Now
Bethany
we're
Bloom.
here with his 6,000 items. Oh my god, let us out.
Let us end.
How do you get out?
You can't.
It's for.
You're stuck in purgatory.
I literally had to collect like the press teleporter was replaced by pick up insert item like 50 times.
Yeah, imagine engineer. Let's loot him.
Scavengers.
Let's loot him.
Imagine a sales star working this guy.
Oh shit. Okay, I live.
Oh, okay. Well, he's here.
He's
Well,
here
he's out
now,
here.
but now he's dead.
Brilliant beam, or no, that's not brilliant beam. ICBM.
Oh boy, how many IC? Oh boy, ICBM with my 88 ICBMs I got. Uh, where is that? Where is Here it is. Here it is. Okay, we head to the new stage.
Okay, I'm
The
ready.
the virtual world, I guess. What do I
Cool.
call
Ready.
it? I guess we're ready. I guess.
Idea of that, yeah. I guess just a little. Well, at least that one lasted a little. Oh my god, empathy cores.
Yeah, sure, I'll take that.
Just don't worry, we have two. We're so fucked with Mythics.
Looks like ain't gonna exist.
Yeah. And then he takes our stuff. I seriously doubt we won't be skipping.
What happened?
I seriously doubt we won't skip last phase. Oh my god.
He's gonna like, we're gonna get one shot and be like negative 1 million because of our
Yeah.
items I got.
Show this gameplay to a new player.
Convince them why they should play this game.
Yep. Why you should buy Alloy Collective.
Shit,
What's happening?
that was the Void Weaver.
Oh,
He tried to stop me from my ungodly run.
damn.
Not that it could work though, because I have 119 deals.
Yeah, you're not dying. Ever. If honestly, we should uninstall this game if we lose this round somehow.
Dude, I gotta be so careful not to kill Specs.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's dying.
Yeah, like, I gotta be so careful not to kill Specs.
Yeah. You can just stay and spawn, honestly. Because the Tesla coil is gonna freaking like attack him, I think. You ready to get out of here?
Right. Virtual world right there. Yep, let's just
Yep.
get out of here.
God, please.
Network suffering.
Network suffering. Calm down, Specs. Let's see. ATG. Oh, wait, what? I don't have box dynamite. Man, that's a problem.
No block of dynamite.
Nope. Oh, you can just, okay, never mind. You can use a fuel cell too. I have DML.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
What is my most deadly glue now? Yep, 194 deadly glue.
Oh, yes. Uh, yeah, I guess I'm ready to get out of here.
Alright, should we just kill the Specs? I'll try to.
He's gonna take our items.
Yeah, no, my over 100, my 70,000 items.
Yeah, should we try it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, oh, we can't die? Well, it's gonna take forever to see what he took.
I don't know what he took, man.
I can't tell either. I guess we're out of here then.
Yep. Are we trying to crash this game or are we gonna kill Netflix?
We can, I'm not sure.
I guess I don't know which one's more fun. Just crashing the game just get my Eclipse out of the way.
I don't know. I guess getting out of the way would be better, right?
Alright. Yeah, as much as it is to one shot a lot of things.
Yeah.
Alright, here's a telly.
Hmm. Hey, I summoned scavengers. Time to loot. Oh, it had a Dio's best friend.
Wait, is my interstellar desk line just covering the whole universe?
Alright, yeah, it probably does. Yo, like, what is happening?
Junk drone moment.
I'm ready, I guess.
Yeah, you gotta do it for me because I'm too busy being greedy.
My frames. My frame.
Wait, was there a boss?
I think.
Oh, my frame. My frame.
My frames. 16, 23. Okay. Matrix is staring at us in horror, dude.
Oh, there's two prayer bees very tightly now.
Yep.
My question is, can we pro skip?
Yeah, I think I know you can.
Do I hit that shrine of order? Dude, how big is the incidental disc line, man? I feel like I'm gonna cover a whole universe with this.
Oh yeah, that's definitely Risk of Rain Returns players can see the radius.
Do you want to see if I can break the forbidden 10,000 item?
Forbidden 10,000. Oh my god.
I actually wonder. I wonder what the eulogies there. I wonder if they could drop the ship lunar items.
Well, that's a good question.
Right, so yeah, I think this is a good way to end the game. My session.
Yeah.
Because I'm probably gonna make this last one, and I think my computer needs some rest.
Oh yeah, no, this thing is like overheating the fuck. This thing is turning into an oven. Oh my god, I did not look behind me.
Look at all the items.
Yep. Okay. Oh my god,
Uh,
please.
yeah, question mark. Get out of here now.
Yep. Okay, we're out. I think. No, we're not out. Fucking, there's too many items.
You find the enemies more than the enemies.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how fast we can.
I'm gonna be slow though, because I have like 260 Bethany Bloom and just covered everything.
Oh, I see. Oh my god, you have like 700 stacks of everything.
Just with like 131k of bottle K, I can just press this once and then
Oh my god. Just every equipment in the game.
yeah, I think I call the
The
I can
eccentric
call the
base.
yeah. look, look, look back into the entrance. Look at the black smoke.
Oh my god. It's just numbers. Okay, I made it up.
Wait, you made it up? Okay. Just give me a couple of years, I guess.
Couple of years. I'm gonna walk in. I'm gonna hold down the laser too. I can't wait to see you rocket
Oh
upwards by
my god,
holding left click.
I have so much that you cast 3 eccentric base.
A shotgun eccentric base. I'm ready. Okay. Yo. Oh, did we
Okay,
skip?
he's dead. He's dead.
Yep, we skipped.
Shower him with items.
Sure. You die surrounded by wealth. Here's a good portal, I think.
I get through the boiling, I guess.
Yeah, see Voidling.
Yeah,
Fuck
it's
it.
like I don't know what else can we do.
Yeah, wait for the ship. We don't do that around here.
Also my game's gonna crash even harder because it's also waiting.
Yeah. Seekers of the frame rate.
Also because of my wake up
Dude, my
order, I
fireworks are
stopped the.
slowing down so hard. Okay, we're out of here.
There you go. I would have broke the forbidden 10,000 item barrier.
Okay, well, now we just. Oh, I spawned in the terrain. Wait, look where I am. Spawn
Can you get
underneath.
out?
Yeah, I can. Oh, I've
Oh,
been
I need
pretty
speed real
mad.
quick. Okay, now I'm good.
Hey, my life state, my crescent key's all the way over here. It's like next to Voidling.
Fireworks.
Jeez.
Don't run away from us, boiling. Cause you're a
Don't
pain in the ass to
run.
kill. I'm so short on the first parkour level.
The Roblox obby.
God damn it, man. Hold on, I'm so how to get there. Wait, I can see
Oh
him across
shit.
the map.
I should have waited.
Where am I supposed to go? Here it is.
Boiling dead.
He's dead. I don't get a chance to do much.
Rip. Cool. Yeah, we gotta
Now
go before this place fills with items.
we shall rain parade on your death,
Yep.
Wailing.
Great, you got here.
Yep, I'm gonna miss this run.
Yeah, this run's good. Oh my god, my frame. Please let it end. Good thing this is only a simulation in a planetarium.
Yes, they don't know what to do with someone with 10,000 spare drone parts, a couple of junk drone.
False sun with the modern weaponry and whatever railgunner was.
Look at the stats.
Oh, the stats. That's not
Most
okay.
damage deal. Is that a billion damage?
Yeah, it
Wait,
is.
that is wait, is that my new record actually?
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
that's my
that
new
definitely
record.
is. I don't know how you're supposed to beat that unless you just did that run for hours on end.
And last time I died 2 times
I have a
somehow.
fraction of
Oh,
that.
I think one of them. Hey, remember when I struggled on the void field?
Oh yeah, good times. We're on the results screen. My game's still like 30 FPS.
It's the items. I can still see my items in the background.
Yeah, I can still see the fucking yeah.
Alright, so I died what I love the most with the 274 Bethnic Bloom,
Oh boy.
which is at some point kind of get kind of useless because because like around 100 it just convert all of my items to
Yeah.
reds.
Oops, all reds.
So what do you care? What kind of red I got? I got 422 Wake of Vultures. I got 221 deals. I have 638 headset, which I don't know what that does stacking.
I think it's just damage at the fall.
Okay.
You have 786 duplicators.
Those items last over like 2 hours now.
The logbook that tells you like the highest stack is gonna get completely fucked by this.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, anyone you show that to, they're gonna be like, "Well, you cheated." And
Yeah,
then we show them
yeah,
what I've been recording.
yeah, and then just I got this whole run recorded.
Yeah, or not the whole thing, but like when it went downhill and uphill at the same time.
Okay, so the first loop.
Yeah, basically.
This is the kind
The-
of run that would rarely happen.
Yeah, a
Yeah,
lot of
and yet
stuff had
people
to happen to get this.
yeah, and people say Bethany Bloom is bad. Well. Look at this run.
The cope. Yep.
I have 311 afterburn. I got like a lot. It's like around like 600 landmines.
Just in case you need to hop.
I got 130. I have 193 ICBM.
Yo, 333 alien heads, no cooldowns.
All my cooldowns like nothing. Even not that not that it matters because all my skills take down long cooldown.
Well,
Holy
I'm
shit.
pretty satisfied.
Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. I don't think Mythic ceased to exist. Anything ceased to exist.
You know, he had no chance. Just deleted from existence. You gotta call it there.
Yeah, I'm calling it here though.
Alrighty.
What is my most damage? Most damage dealt. Okay, no, that was not my most damage dealt yet.
What?
So I did even more harder. I did was that nine? What is that? 100,000 million billion trillion quadrillion. Whatever's after quadrillion. I think it's quintillion.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it's 9 quintillion damage.
Hmm.
Nine
Oh
point
yes.
two two quintillion damage.
Jesus, man.
I'm done now. That was just that. My computer needs a rest.
Yes. Yeah, this thing needs to. Damn. Give it some ice.
Alright, I'm hungry though. I'll see you later.
Alrighty.